Welcome back, everybody, to a beautiful, beautiful trading day. Up $100 early in the morning, 6 minutes after open. NQ just started dropping. I'm looking for it to keep dropping. I see some GOAT potential in this trade. Man, bro, if you're not trading, bro, I don't know what you're doing. Up 150 in probably like 2 minutes. Real account, by the way. Ain't trading no prop firm. Up 200 almost. Yeah, I'm trying to see this thing get down to at least 19, 20. I'm looking to close out soon, though. This is pretty good profits. I'm just looking for that one last big push. Up 170. Come on, baby. Dump, baby, dump. Yeah, I might get out.
Order filled.
And I'm out of there for $96. I thought I got more than that. Cool little trade. Nothing crazy. Could have easily held longer, but profit is profit, bruv. Yeah, and we're currently up $343 in the challenge. That's 34% for the week so far. Today's Thursday. Look at this, like, oh no, I still think this is gonna dump. I probably should have held longer, but bro, I don't even care. I do not care. I don't know if I should take another trade or if I should just be done with it for today. I mean, that is like 9% on the account. Now, mind you guys, this is a $1,000 account. Like, even though I'm making only like $90 to like $100 a trade, you gotta keep in mind that's still 10% of the whole account if I make $100. So 10%. Imagine if you had $100,000, 10% would be 10,000. So just put that into perspective. It's not about the money; it's about the percents. This thing's still dumping. Honestly, I might. Something telling me to re-enter, bro. Like, I don't know. Look how this is hesitating down here though. This has been stuck like right here for a cool minute. Like right at this level right here. I haven't had any really good trades on gold this week. Yeah, it's a good thing I got out of this, bro. I would not want to deal with like this, bro. Like, come on. Even though I think it is gonna drop still, though. But like, who wants to deal with like the sideways motion? Sometimes you just gotta celebrate the little dubs, you know? $96 dub, bro. Tell me if somebody gave you $96 right there in your hand, smack, boom. They told you open your hand, gave you $96. You wouldn't take that. I was literally in that trade for maybe four minutes. I know, I still think this is gonna go down, but you know what I think it's gonna do before it goes down? I think it's gonna go something like this. And whether I want to wait for that to happen or not is the question. See what's popping on the 15-minute. Yeah. Look how this price just dropped, hit the 15-minute zone, boom, dropped again. Got a little, I don't know, bro. I hate trend lines, bro. I'm gonna take this shit off my chart. Look at that reverse, bro. I would have still been in the trade, probably going through drawdown right now, bro. If I held that, I would have been going through it. Yeah, it looks like, it doesn't really look like anything else is popping off right now. It is the end of the week. I don't know what you think, chat. Should we call it? I'm thinking of calling it. Oh, I'll give it 10 more minutes. 6:55. 6:55, I'll give it 10 minutes. If nothing forms within 10 minutes, then we just gonna call it a day. We just gonna call it a day for real. We got that cool little $96. Bro, I'm just gonna say $100 because 96 is getting annoying to say. But yeah, we got that cool little $100. Cool little $100. Going smooth. $343.44 profit this week. That's not bad. We've had 3 trades this week. I didn't trade on Monday. It was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Thursday. And yeah, all of them were winners. 3 trades, 3 winners. I've also been trading on the 5-minute as well. I'm just coming to realize that these order block zones on the 5-minute and 15-minute hold up so well, bruh. Like, I was doing this shit on the 1-minute, and bruh, I was getting faked out like every which way. 5-minute higher time frames just make you way more, how do I say this? They just make you way more patient, you know? Because you gotta wait longer for the move. So when you're in like all this chop in like the 1-minute, like then I'm over here waiting for the 5-minute while you're like messing around trying to catch the reversal of the parallax, of the matrix, of the hyperbole, bro. Like, y'all be doing too much. Like, sit on the 5-minute chart, wait for it to hit one of your zones. Then you could go down to like the 1-minute, see what happens on a 1-minute, and if it looks good, take the trade. But honestly, like, I like the 2-minute more than 1-minute. I'm kidding. Completely 100. 2-minute is way better. You just see like a little bit more information, and it looks like the chart looks more whole without all the chop. So that's why I like the 2-minute. But yeah, we're just gonna sit, chill back. Grab your Doritos, watch price action. We already won for the day, bro, so I'm really not pressed to take another trade. It has to be really good, and I'm only gonna go in with probably one contract half the size, cause I don't want to lose my profit. It's looking like a good reversal though. We got that inverse fair value gap. We got that ICT inverse fair value gap divided by 356 to the power of 222 squared quantum physics. And all that ICT shit, ICT works, but I feel like people just be milking it, bro. Like y'all just be doing too much, bro. Like, draw one zone on your chart, couple zones, and trade at those zones, bro. Like, you don't need to trade the freaking fair value gap, inverse, freaking head and shoulders, freaking yada yada, bro. Like, you don't need to do all that. That's why most of these people aren't even profitable, and that's why most people struggle in trading, because they look at some random YouTube video and it's telling them to do all this random shit with lines and shit on their chart. A million zones. Like, if you look at my chart, bro, like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zones that I've drawn in like the past like week and a half. So you don't need like every zone to be marked up. You just need the important ones, you know? Just like this zone. See it touched multiple times. Boom, boom. Even touched right here. Rejected. And then went down. But yeah, man, just draw a couple zones on your chart, bro. You don't need to do all that extra stuff, and you'll be straight. You'll be chilling. Yeah, these charts are looking weird, bro. They're looking real weird. Everything is like so extended in either direction. Like, you can't even trade this extension right here, because like there's nothing to even back it up on. Like, there's no pullbacks right here. There's nothing, bro. It's just straight to the downside. And now it's big boner candles to the upside, which is probably gonna reverse right about now. I can see this going like up here. Even though it is a downtrend, I can see it like going up here before it actually like drops. But yeah, we're just sitting back chilling. This is hitting a major support too, as you can see. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Skip probably gonna struggle here before making any type of move down, if it still continues to make a move down. gold chart. Actually, we'll go to 7 o'clock. We'll go to 7 o'clock. Usually 7 o'clock has a lot of volatility, I would say. So we'll give it 8 minutes. No, I don't got nothing to do. Shit, I don't got nothing to do today. I can sit on charts for another couple minutes. No, I'm joking. I got work later. I do have something to do today. Trading is not my only job. If only I could wish. But you know, we're gonna get there though. Mark my words, this is day 3, bro. Once we do this 1K to 10K challenge, once we finish this joint up, you already know what time it is. It's 10K to 100K. And I feel like making your first 100K is way harder than going from, like, say 100K to 1 million. Because once you have 100K in your trading account, bro, I could literally risk like $1,000 a trade. What is that, 1% a trade? And do 4R, bro. That's 4,000. You just gotta do that like 40, 50 times, and boom, you're at 1 million. So if you just keep stacking the dubs, I don't even know if that math was right. I said 40 to 50 times, but fuck it, bro. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Like, I just gotta out of bed. No, I'm sorry for the yap right now, bro. I'm yapping so hard right now. But yeah, hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good day. Look, I would've got faked out so hard if I held that, bro. Oh my god, I'm so happy I exited. I'm so happy. Cause watch, this is gonna pound straight through the zone. Watch this. This zone is gonna get pounded right here. Or it might reject, you know. I don't know. Let's see what's happening on the ice bro. Actually, this might reject. I'm not gonna lie. Shit, clean on the 15 minute. Something like that would be like amazing. This would be nice. Honestly, if it did something like this, bro, I might just take the trade. Might just do it. Yeah, look at this big 15-minute candle, bro. Tell me this candle ain't big as hell, bro. Nutty ass candle. Now look at gold off the zone, bro. Gold off the zone. Rejecting quite nicely, if I'd say so myself. It's a pretty nice rejection. This thing is way overextended, bro. Like, price always gotta snap back to these bands right here, bro. EMAs. I feel like price always snaps back to the EMA, no matter what. It can only go up for so long, you know. Got the club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the club and she a Tuesday. Remember that song? Aluma Conan, bro, that shit was a classic. But yeah, I told you this zone's gonna get ran through or what? Ran through like the bad girl you are, NQ. You're a naughty little girl. But yeah, this zone already got mitigated by this right here, so I feel like there's a good chance that this might fail, but we also are in a downtrend, so anything can happen. If I was to say anything, I would say it's gonna reject because we're in a downtrend, and I would never trade against the trend. That's just my opinion. Like if somebody gave me $1 million, or was gonna say, I'll give you $1 million if you could guess the correct direction of this right now, I would probably have to go 50-50. It's gonna go down, but we'll see. I just don't like this huge candle, bro. This is quite concerning. Nothing but green. And they're big sticks too. Like these ain't like no little candlesticks, buddy. There's the big legs, some big ass sticks. GC is currently encountering a little bit of an order black right here. I doubt it's gonna hold, but yeah, he's doing that. He's doing his thing. YM is just over here creating 100-point candles back to back, you know, tripping on the 15-minute. So yeah, I don't think I'm interested in any of that. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so, buddy. I don't think so. This has literally done nothing for the past 5 minutes. What is this even doing on like the 1 minute, bro? Oh yeah, this is gonna go up. It's accumulating right here to do something. It's gonna do something. Bro, I'm so blown, bro. I start work at 5:00 p.m. till 2 a.m., bro. We're like doing like this event, bro. I'm a computer engineer, by the way, but yeah, we're doing this event. I gotta be there for it. So yeah, after this, I'm literally gonna go back to bed, bro. Like I went to sleep at 12 o'clock last night. Yeah, bro, you just having a good chill sesh, bro. Talking it out, vibing, having a good old time. Nothing looking too crazy right now. Nothing too crazy. It is end of the week though, so volatility might not be the greatest. I have no clue what this is doing, bro. Like, what even is this? What is this type of pattern? I don't know. What I do see is lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah, this zone's gonna get ran through crazy. Told you it's gonna do shine. Yeah. This is at the top though. I would not suggest buying this right now. Do not buy this. You're literally buying after this freaking yo, if you would have bought up here, bro, like this is insanity, bro. Like we're way oversold. We're coming into big resistance, bro. Like you don't, if anything, you want to sell right here, like, to be completely honest. But nah, I used to have that problem a lot. Like when I first started trading, like I'd be like, oh bro, like we bought so much right here, bro. Like we have to keep buying like through the zone, right? No, wrong. This could easily just go like that, you know? Easily just go like that. Because mind you, we still don't have a higher high. Like if we zoom out, this is why higher time frames are important. If we zoom out 15 minute, we still don't have a higher high, bro. Like we have not closed into, like this would be a higher high if we closed, but like we have not even closed below this yet, so, or above that. Anywho, yeah, that blew through the zone just like I expected. This would have been a crazy break and retest. Too bad I don't trade those. Well, sometimes if it's a supply and demand zone, which is kind of like break and retest, I guess. It's supply and demand zones, but anyway, bro, I'm really just yapping, bro. I need to be quiet. It's always good for the old charts to draw a couple lines on it, you know what I mean? Gotta always make sure your charts have lines on it, bro. Rule number 1. I'm joking. You don't need any of these lines, bro. You just have to know what you're doing with them. I feel like this is gonna drop, bro. Look at this wick. This is, I don't know. I kind of don't even want to take another trade. It's too late. It's really not too late. It's 30 minutes after the session started. This is actually really clean. I just don't like this uptrend, you know? Buying in this uptrend or selling in this uptrend, a little sus, if I'll say so myself. A little sus, buddy. Nah, this is a clean trade though, like, bruh. Should I risk it for the biscuit? Should I risk it for the biscuit? NQ up to, bruh? What does NQ want to do right now? Hold on. Actually, yo, if NQ gets below this 40 zone right here, bro, I might actually take that trade. That's pretty clean. We're gonna be breaking support. We pushed up, bro, faked out all these buyers right here. That might actually be a move. I gotta make sure that it covers this zone though, like, good, because I'm not trying to get bounced off of it and then it just goes up if I sell. I'm gonna wait. This is a very important zone right here, this purple line. Look how many times prices bounced off of this zone. You gotta make sure that you don't short too early, like, because it could literally do what it's doing right now. It could just like touch it, boom, fake out everybody who thought the same exact thing as me. Bajillion people, I'm not special, you know. There's probably like 2 million people thinking the same exact thing I'm thinking right now in the same exact moment. And that's basically how you get faked out, bro. Like, you just enter too early. Like, old me would have like entered right when it got there, and then boom, I would have been in drawdown like right now. I would have been stressing. I would have been stressed out. Nah, I'd much rather just wait it out, you know. This has done nothing. YM is chilling.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that little sell. I'm gonna see what happens. Take that little sell. I'm low-key kind of liking this sell right here. I hope I don't get trapped by the bounce. Yeah, I might have to get out of this. This may not be the play. I'm checking on the 1 minute to see how it reacts to the zone. If it like breaks above this so hard, like, I'm probably gonna get out. That was the bounce I was talking about. That's what you don't want to see. this shit's holding up too well above the zone.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just got out of that. That's the bounce I was talking about. Yeah, look at that thing ripping. Now we're up only $30. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I thought once it broke that, we were gonna continue down. I shouldn't even traded that. Why did I do that? I mean, looked convincing, but that shit just bounced on me so hard, bro. Like, that was uncalled for. I didn't deserve that. It was that zone, bro. Freaking knew it.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just bought YM. Spur of the moment type of thing, but it looks good for the upside. I'm not gonna lie.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I feel like we're gonna shoot past all these levels right here. Like something like that. It's a bullish flag on the 1 minute. Think about buying one more contract.
Order filled.
Just bought one more contract.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
TPs are just above that zone. I feel like we get there easy. I feel like we get there on this push. Right at that. It's a big zone that's pushing through right now. On the 15 minute. It's hesitating at the zone. I don't like that. I do not like this candle formation. Look at this wick on this candle. What is that? I want to see a bounce off the zone. I legit do not want to see it freaking break through that right there. That's what I would not like. I feel like we could break these highs. Once we break these highs, we flying up. If we break those highs, that is. Cause shit, we could just drop right now, to be honest. a little bit breathing room, but I don't want to give it too much, bruh. If it's gonna bounce, it's gonna bounce off this zone. If it doesn't bounce off this zone, then trade's cooked. Just gonna tell you that right now. Yeah, I'm looking for something like that, bro. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. It's okay. Don't be shy. I just feel like everybody and their moms is like thinking that they're gonna go short right here. I'm trying to think ahead of the market, bruh. Sometimes it's hard though. And gold is pushing. NQ is trying to push. NQ's trying to do something. I feel like NQ's gonna try to push up. I'm trying to. Oh no. New 5-minute candle has formed. NQ is pushing. YM just started pushing as well. I'm trying to ride this joint to the sunset. I'm not gonna lie. We have all this space up here to just roam around. Freaking. We already mitigated all these dudes at the bottom. These guys got cooked. There's nobody else. I got all these orders up here. I'm trying to see these highs get ran. Excuse me. This is taking a minute, huh? I don't want to see price get below this level right here. That would be no. I'm kind of liking liking this upwards. This upwards looking momentum. We're just slowly grinding it out, you know. It's break and retest at that. I wanted to break these highs. I feel like we want to do this. feel like once we get some momentum in a second, bro, we just gonna pop, bro. Just give me that pop. Just give me the pop. Give me that pop, baby. Yes, give me that pop. Yes, pop me up there. Pop me past all of this, bro. Like all of this nonsense right here, bro. Just like, let's get up there, bro. Let's do it. Probably gonna put stops right at that, the bottom wick of that candle next to it. Something like that. I'm just waiting for that one candle to set it off, bro. Like, can we get up there? Can we make it past the 2800s? This is an important level right here. Let's see. I feel like this is it right here. I feel like this candle right here is the determining factor. We got a new 5 minute. And if we're gonna get that pop or not. I still don't know what this wants to do. I'm still waiting for the pop. I like that wick. I like that 5 minute wick right there. Let's keep it going. Got the EMAs about to cross. I want to see this go up. Got crossing EMAs on a 2 minute. I'm not liking that candle. I'm not liking that. I'm gonna see if he wants to change his mind. I like that rejection. I like that, actually. That kind of made me happy. See what MN. NQ is pushing too. YM should be pushing here in a minute. Totally broke that zone I was talking about earlier. If I'm not mistaken, NQ and YM should push synchronously together right about now. Okay. Okay. We break the zone, we're flying. Break that zone, we're flying. Oops. Break that zone, we're flying. Come on, baby. NQ is pushing. This is looking good so far. Stops to break even. Gonna see what it does right here at this 2-minute zone. Could have been a fake out. I want to see it bounce off this. Go up. Sorry, I'm like low energy right now. I'm trying to freaking calculate this joint. Don't like this candle. And Q's at a critical zone too. This shit is important. They're trying to break out of that joint too. I think they're gonna do it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this accumulation for it to rip up. Now, only if YM was on the same thing. YM is grinding slower. It's just a slower pair in general. The NQ rip is crazy right now. I knew it. I'm looking for that YM rip skis. Yes, it's that YM rip. This is the rip I was talking about. Our next zone is literally right here. I might do TP1 right there, TP2 like right here or something, I don't know. I just wanted to rip above the zone, you know? NQ's going stupid. Let's check out the 15-minute. 15-minute green candles, bro. Look at all these green candles. Oh my. This is the rip I needed. This is literally what we needed, guys. I gotta make sure not to get too greedy. Greed can easily kill this trade. I want to see if it holds above this 800 level. This one right here. Bro, everything is just ripping, bro. Like, Jesus Christ, like, look at gold. Like, am I dumb to think that, like, we're not going up, or am I tripping? All this momentum upwards, bro. Am I like tweaking to think that we, like, look at all these green 5-minute candles, bro? Like, am I tripping to think that we won't make it up here? This is going nice. I like this. I like this. This is the rippers we needed. This is the rippers we needed. Yeah. Come on, YM. Come on, YM. Get freaky for me, baby. Get up there. I'm trying to see at least to 850. I'm not gonna lie. Cause look at NQ. Like, you're telling me MQ, GC. Like, bro, this has to rip. Oh my God. Big rippers. Come on, baby. This zone right here is kind of fluky.
Order filled.
It is close. Wow, did I just get shaken out? I don't know. I didn't like this. I didn't like this. It's double top looking formation, you know? Oh my God, I think I just got shaken out. I didn't like how fast I was dipping, bro. I don't know. Something in my head just told me to... I feel like it's gonna... I don't know. Or it could just rip up, you know? Which is what it's probably gonna do. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to take the $40 and, you know, call it a trade. I basically just kind of covered my last loss. kinda. But anyway, we're up 67.90. All that stress just right now for $70, bro, is kind of insane. But hey, profit's profit, am I right? I don't know, YM just wasn't ripping as hard as NQ, bro. I don't know what it is. I don't know, just being right next to the zone kind of just spooked me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm glad he got above this zone, but like this right here, especially how hard that was pushing down, that was not ideal to see. I might push up right now off of this. Got a cool little trend line going. I probably should have held. I don't know though. It's a pretty gnarly candle. Anywho, yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Total profits 67.90. 2 wins, 1 loser. It is what it is. $1,314.98 is the current balance, up 31% in 3 days. On this $1,000 account. But look at that drop though. Peep this, bro. Yeah, good thing I got out. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys enjoy the content, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm also sending people my free Discord, so if you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, link in the bio. And yeah, I hope you guys had a good trading day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.